What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add custom admin dashboard notices. Do you know, can you see this image into the right side of my screen? Can you see into the right side of my screen those notices into the dashboard of your WordPress? Those are admin notices. And imagine the following scenario: you have a big website with lots of people accessing it. For example, you have editors, moderators, administrators, and you would like to share a notice across all of the persons who see your WordPress dashboard. Maybe a maintenance, maybe a service, maybe an update, something that would like to be done, something that you made, okay? Anything, any notice, okay? For example, your site is gonna be down for 3 hours into this date because of this, and you would like that everyone with access of the site know this. How to do this in WordPress for free is what we're gonna learn in today's video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose internet and sites favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, it's navigate to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner next to keyword, into the search plugins field, we're gonna click on it and type WP Custom Admin Interface. And we're gonna be installing this plugin right here by Martin. Thanks, Martin. So after click on install now, we're gonna click on activate button. This is gonna redirect us to the WordPress plugins list, okay, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? And if we scroll it down from the left sidebar menus, once again, we're gonna be able to see next to settings a new menu. It's the plugin options. There is a lot of options into this plugin. You can fully customize the WordPress dashboard, but the one that we are focusing into this tutorial, it's this guy right here, custom admin notices, okay? Admin notices. Click on it. So right here we can apply custom admin notices, okay? You can write anything that you want right here. You can enter links, you can enter username, user email, year, website title, some short codes, and you can type, for example, this is a maintenance to happen, there is a maintenance to happen in January 29. We can apply a link right here in the case that you want, a quote, you can add a list, anything that you want. After, scroll it down, we can change the admin notice color, green, blue, yellow, or red. You can apply an expiration date, so after this date, this admin notice is gonna be automatically removed, okay? So this is the end date. Make notice dismissible, up to you. If the user hit the X button, the notice will no longer appear. Up to you if you want this happen or not. And implement this for no one except so you can enter users names or other things like this, or everyone, okay? So no one except or everyone except, and click right here to enter the exception or the other exception. After this, click on Save Settings, and here is my notice. There is a maintenance to happen. Simple, easy, and very effective. So everyone into your WordPress website with access to dashboard gonna be able to see this notice, okay? Editors, moderators, shop managers, anyone with access to dashboard, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can start to customize your site in the way that you want. Or growth.net platform, that is a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In the case that you want, you can promote your site, your game, your app, your brand agency, into sites.gallery. It's free as well. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site with all of our tools, including plugins, themes, templates, pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, icons, widgets, blocks, you can go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to your entire templates library. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!